Hello everyone. So today I'm back with my shelf decoration. So it's time to add books in the shelves, and later on I will also show you which item I have kept where. And I'm using this coffee mug as a book stopper, and also I am keeping all the little items, miscellaneous kind of items in this mug. Here I am taking a basket in which I am keeping all the random stationery stuffs and the stuffs that are related to my work. And this blue box also contains my work related items, so I have to keep it here only. Honestly, I love coffee mugs and I have a lot of them, but I don't know where to use which one. And also here I am experimenting with the places where which item to keep where. Lights on, and ta-da! This is the final look. Now you can see how I turned my bookshelf and how I organized it, which item is placed where. This is the final look I am sharing with you. Placed a few pictures in the end. Do like the video if you like it, and please subscribe to the channel. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and thank you so much for watching my video.